Alright, welcome everyone to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to drill a drainage hole in a ceramic pot, a planter pot. Some plants are sold in a store with no drainage holes, so eventually they may fill up with water and then start rotting the roots and killing the plant. So here's a bamboo plant. I just noticed that happening to this, and when I turned it over there were no drainage holes. So what I did is I took a ceramic bit and drilled some drainage holes. So now that plant is in good shape. I did it with this pot, but I'm going to drill one more just to show you how to do it. So before we continue, let's go over different types of bits. All right. So what we have here are conventional drill bits. This is for wood and metal. For the most part, you don't use it for glass. It will break and shatter. Over here we have a ceramic bit. Ceramic and glass, that's one type. All right, here's another type. I believe that has carbide bits on it. Okay, there's quite a few different weird looking ones. Here's one that's really popular and probably the most cost effective. It's kind of like a little paddle bit with a sharp edge. All right, and these sell for about $11 in a local hardware store, maybe a little bit cheaper in a chain like Home Depot. So this is what you want to drill a hole through ceramic, okay, and very easy. So before we get started, make sure you have safety gear, at least the safety goggles. As far as volume, it's not going to be that loud, so won't need to use these earmuffs. And as far as dust, it shouldn't get too dusty. Otherwise, you know, when I'm working with dusty stuff, I'll wear a mask. Also, it's probably a good idea to wear gloves if you're not that experienced. Gloves can add a little bit more protection just in case you slip and just graze your finger or something like that. So those are the 4 items of safety. So let's drill a hole in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with my basic drill. I got a Milwaukee M12 12-volt battery drill and driver system here. We're going to use the drill for this. And so we're going to drill a hole in here. So let's set up this second camera. All right, and I'm going to show you how to drill that hole. We're going to get that in action. All right, so I'm going to take the newer bit. This hasn't been used yet, so it should go in pretty easy. We're going to put it in the drill. Make sure it's not wobbling a little bit. Sometimes if you don't put the bit in the proper way, it will be wobbling all over the place. It's dangerous. Make sure it spins straight. Okay, make sure the drill is on high speed and full torque if you have a torque setting. All right, and then we're going to put a little bit of pressure, not too much pressure on it. Let's see, we'll drill one right here. Okay, and then look at that, right through, okay? I like a little symmetry, so I'm going to put one here just to match. We'll do it one more time. Make sure this is in the camera. Okay. All right, basically, that's the type of material you can expect with a pot. Some pots are made a little bit harder. You don't want to press too hard, and use a new bit. So that's what you have to do. Now, of course, as far as, you know, planting plants and stuff, on a quick note, I usually fill the bottom with gravel, a little bit of gravel, and then put your soil in so the soil does not come through the hole. That was a little bonus feature I added there. So anyway, I hope this helped you. Appreciate it if you give a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.